Question 35 asks us to calculate the liability that will be carried forward at 31st of December 20x1 for a long-term debt instrument. The long-term debt instrument was initially issued on the 1st of January 20x1, bringing $3.4 million into the company, but as a result of doing that, there were transaction costs of $200,000. It tells us in the question that the instrument has a nominal rate of interest of 6% and an effective rate of interest of 7.05%. What the question wants us to do then is, using drop-down lists, pick the correct answers to appear as the opening balance, the finance costs, and the interest that would be paid. So the first thing is the opening balance, and within that opening balance we would take not just the $3.4 million that was actually realised on the issue, but we would net off against that the $200,000 of transaction costs. So the first of our answers here, the correct figure to enter would be $3.2 million, the net of what was raised and the transaction costs incurred to do so. The finance costs would be recognised using the effective rate of interest. So in this case, 7.05%. That effective rate of interest will be multiplied through by the $3.2 million opening balance, and in this case that would give us a figure of $225,600. So this answer here would be the correct one to select from the list to enter in our second box. We then need to deduct what interest has actually been paid. These are the repayments that are being made out. This would be at the nominal rate of 6%. But note that that 6% would be calculated on the full $3.4 million of the actual instrument issued. So in this case that would give us a figure of $204,000, and that's the correct answer to appear in box 3.